We always want to serve vibrant veggies, and that goes for the vegetables that we serve raw as well. Which one would you rather eat? The broccoli that's been blanched or the straight raw broccoli?
Blanched.
Blanched, I love it. Everybody chose that, exactly. So let me show you how to blanch broccoli, cauliflower, those bitter vegetables for vibrant color, but also increasing that sweetness so that the students like the product better. So just like for steaming fresh broccoli before, we're always going to use a 2-inch perforated pan. We're going to put approximately 3 pounds in our perforated pan, and then we're going to put it right in the combi. And we're going to set that combi to steam. We're going to place our 2-inch perforated pan on top and the solid pan below. And now, instead of cooking this fully all the way, we are going to cook it for a very short period of time. You will actually have to do it in your own combis in your kitchens to know the exact amount of time. But I would say somewhere between 1 to maximum of 3 minutes for you to be able to just partially cook or blanch your broccoli. Our blanched broccoli is ready. The pan is hot, so be sure to handle it carefully. We're going to remove the pan, the solid pan underneath the perforated pan. Now take a look at that. Again, the product is raw. What you want to do is immediately take it for cool down. So you would take it in the perforated pan, outside of the solid pan, maybe put it on a sheet pan, and that way you can get that cooling going all the way around. If you are wanting to speed up the cooling, with the perforated pan inside the unit, you can use your spray nozzle. Just spray right through your broccoli into the cavity. Now, who wouldn't want to eat that with a little bit of ranch? That's right, it's all it needs. Excellent, very good.